Good evening once again, and this time another topic related to your rise of revolt of 1857. One of the cause is the annexation of some states on the pretext of misrule. जो states रहीं जिनको ये कहा गया कि भाई आप लोग अच्छे से administrate नहीं कर पा रहे हो. The person who was ruling the state, the Nawab who was ruling the state, he was told that you are not a good administrator. So it is the duty of the British that they should ensure a proper or good administration. So just because of this thing, or on the basis of this, some states were annexed. And हुआ क्या यहाँ पे कि जो लोग थे they were not happy, especially when the Awadh was annexed. People felt humiliated and they stood against the British, and they are the one, I mean the people of Awadh and the soldiers of Awadh, they led the revolt, and they uh, played a very significant role in the revolt of 1857. How? Let me read it for you from your book. Right? As per the questions is concerned, question क्या बनता है? Sometime they ask you name the states who were annexed on the pretext of alleged misrule or misgovernance, or what do you know about Awadh's annexation? How Awadh's annexation became one of the cause for the rise of your revolt of 1857, the first war of independence, that is, right? Let me read it for you, then I will explain it. In 1856, Lord Dalhousie annexed Awadh to the company's dominion. Company, earlier in the earlier video I told you that from 1757 till 1857 East India Company was ruling India, right? He declared that Awadh was being misgoverned. अब अवध जो है वो misgoverned है. The person who is ruling Awadh, or who's the administrator of Awadh, he is not administrating it in a nice or proper way, right? That is नवाब वाजिद अली शाह. कौन कह रहा है? लॉर्ड डलहौजी कह रहा है ये चीज़ कि नवाब वाजिद अली शाह एक अच्छा एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर नहीं है. तो British rule was needed to ensure proper administration. So it is the duty that there should be a proper administration of the British and by the British. Enraged by humiliating way in which the Nawab of Awadh was deposed. अब ये जैसे नवाब ऑफ अवध को डिपोज किया गया था, इसके बारे में बता दूं हुआ क्या है यहाँ पे. ये बड़ा मज़ेदार किस्सा है कि नवाब वाजिद अली शाह से ये कहा गया कि जस्ट लीव द थ्रोन, एंड ही लेफ्ट इट. चले गए. जैसा मैंने कहा वैसा ही हुआ. मतलब it was as easy for the British as I said it. Just leave the throne, and he left it. Right? He was sent to Calcutta, and there's a story written by Munshi Premchand, that is Shatranj Ke Khiladi. In that story revolves around this with the annexation. वो बताते हैं कि क्या क्या हुआ वहाँ पे. तो अगर उसे एक साक्ष्य माना जाए या एक एविडेंस माना जाए तो कहते हैं कि एक सिंगल गोली नहीं चली, कोई ब्लड शेड नहीं हुआ, कोई खून खराबा नहीं हुआ, किसी ने रिटेलिएट नहीं किया. नो, none of the Nawab Wajid Ali Shah or his family retaliated, right? Later on they took part in the revolt of 1857, but on that day they just did what British told them to do, right? So it was very humiliating stuff for the people of Awadh, and then they later on stood against the British in revolt of 1857, and they are the one who led the revolt. The soldiers of the Awadh, the people of the Awadh, played a very significant role in the revolt of 1857. Now, Lord Dalhousie जो है वो justify करते हैं annexation of Awadh on the pretext of the good of the governed. अब ये good of the governed का मतलब ये है कि what is good for the subjects, जिनको governed किया जा रहा है, the person who are governed by the administrator, what is good for them. तो गुड क्या था? नवाब, अगर लॉर्ड डलहौजी की माने तो वो कह रहा था कि भैया हम लोग यानी कि ब्रिटिश एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर आर गुड फॉर द वेलफेयर ऑफ द पीपल. This is what he was claiming. That is why he was annexing this state. That was the base on which he was annexing this Awadh. This is what he did. But on the contrary, हो क्या रहा था? इसके बिल्कुल उलट हो रहा था. अब what was that and what happened? That became one of the, और कहते हैं कि उसे एक बूस्ट मिलता है. It motivated the people. It became an urge for the people to stood against the British. And how? Let me read it for you from your book. They had to pay high tax. अब डलहौजी ने जो कहा, सॉरी लॉर्ड डलहौजी ने जो कहा वो और जो हुआ उसमें बिल्कुल फ़र्क है. इट इज़ टोटली डिफरेंट, राइट. They had to pay, they means the people of Awadh, they had to pay higher land revenue and additional taxes on food, houses and ferries. Earlier they were not doing it. Earlier they were paying less amount of taxes, but later on they started paying the higher amount of taxes. Second, जैसे ही नवाब ऑफ अवध को ये गद्दी से उतारा गया, नंबर ऑफ पीपल, नंबर ऑफ ऑफिशियल्स बिकेम जॉबलेस. वो जॉबलेस हो गए, अनएम्प्लॉयड हो गए, राइट. तो दे लॉस्ट देयर जॉब्स just because the Nawab of Awadh was dethroned by the British. The third is the British confiscated the states of the तालुकदार्स and ज़मींदार्स. ये तालुकदार और ज़मींदार्स जिनको स्टेट्स दी जाती थी, गांव दिए जाते थे in order to run it, in order to administrate it. और ये लोग क्या करते थे, these तालुकदार and ज़मींदार, they used to collect taxes from the people of the villages, and they used to keep some amount of taxes with them, and the rest they used to give it to the Nawab. And it was a very big income source for the Nawab and for the Zamindars and Talukdars, and instantly they lost this income source, that is Zamindars and Talukdars, and they are the people who stood against the British in the revolt of 1857. The company sepoys, of whom 75,000 were from Awadh. अब 75,000 के करीब, यानी कि 75,000 of the soldiers in the British army at that time were from Awadh, right. And what they did were worst affected, ये सबसे बुरी तरीके से affected हुए. These soldiers had helped the British to conquer the rest of India. अब ये वो लोग रहे जिन्होंने कभी ब्रिटिश को हेल्प किया था, मीन्स these soldiers. And इसमें से 75,000 are from the Awadh and they are the most affected, right. But they resented the fact that their homelands had come under foreign rule. अब ये चीज़ उन्हें पसंद नहीं आई कि there was a ruler who was ours, जो हमारा था, नवाब हमारा था, लेकिन अब ये हमारा जो राज्य है, ये हमारी स्टेट जो है, the Awadh has gone in the foreigners' hand. And the annexation of Awadh also affected the soldiers' financial position. They had to pay higher taxes on the land and their families held in Awadh. Then Awadh played a major role in the uprising. As I told you, that Awadh played a very significant role, a major role in the uprising or the revolt of 1857. Right. Apart from it, I would like to tell you that this Awadh was one of the richest state of India at that time, and it was a main target. It was one of the main targets for the British, that these states should be annexed, and Awadh was one of them. And on the pretext of this alleged misrule, Lord Dalhousie annexed it. Thank you.